I'm going to be installing this Windows update. Supposedly, this update is corrupting SSD drives, but I'm going to show you how to uninstall it from the command line coming up. Hey guys, so I got a lot of comments stating that these updates are not in the uninstall list. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to Windows Update, and then we're going to go down to Update History, scroll down, and right here, Uninstall Updates. The update that you want to uninstall is not in the list. Well, I'm going to show you how to uninstall it from the command line. So let's go back to Update History, and I'm just going to do a random one. For example, I'm going to uninstall this KB article 5065786. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring up a command line as administrator. So you're going to right click on it and go to run administrator. You're going to click yes. Now what you're going to do is you're going to type in WUSA space / uninstall space / KB : and then article number. So we're going to go 5065786. Now you're going to hit enter. You're going to click yes, and it's going to uninstall that KB article. When you're done, it's going to ask you to restart the computer. Okay, so we're back. You can see that the KB article is still there. It's going to have a history of it. So what you can do is you can go and try to uninstall it, but I'm pretty sure it's not. It's going to say it's not installed. So let's run administrator and let's go through the steps one more time. So that is WSA / uninstall / the KB article, KB : and then 5065786. Enter. And it is not installed. All right. So for more tips, tricks, subscribe and turn your bell notification on. And remember, stay savvy.